Alright guys, it's Gabby here. I'm going to be opening up a random assortment of Hot Wheels mainlines and some Matchbox too. I'm going to start off with these ones here. I have these loose cars that I wanted to show off. I have this Mercedes-Benz SLK DTM. And it was a web trading car, which used to be Target cars back before they were red edition, so that one's pretty cool. It's got that chromed out interior. And then the next one is a Mercedes AMG GT DTW 84. There's that one. And the next one is Ferrari California First Editions. Red with the tan interior. So there's that one. And then this one's awesome. This is the Ferrari F12 Berlinetta Zamac. And the next one, this is my personal favorite, I feel like, from these loose ones, is this Free Spirit Matchbox. It's called the Truck Camper. It's so cute, and it's got this movable door on it. So yeah, super cute. And then, let's get the Matchbox out of the way, because I know a lot of people don't really care for the Matchbox. We have this 1968 Ford Mustang Fastback. And this one's got a chromed out interior too, which is kind of weird for Matchbox. So there's that one. And then the next one, this one I thought was super cool. This 2018 Dodge Durango. I said it came out in 2020. I'm not sure, like, what the color was on it, but I thought it was cool. I'm wondering when Hot Wheels is going to bring the Toyota 4Runner into the main line, because Matchbox has. They have, like, a 90s version and, like, a more current version. And it's got the hitch on the back. Yeah, there's that one. And then let's do this one. We have this 1994 Mitsubishi 3000 GT. This one looks so good. Like, if this was a Hot Wheels, you wouldn't see it on the shelves. My son is being silly in the background. There's this. It's got tampos front and back. And then Next one, this is new for 2023 Chevy Corvette Z06 convertible. I think Matchbox does the more current Corvettes better than Hot Wheels does. That one, and then next one. This one says it came out in 2013. Like the original model, the casting, not this one specifically. It says white BMW 1M. It just looks so good. Like I said, if this was Hot Wheels, you probably wouldn't see them on the shelf. But because it's a Matchbox, you see them everywhere. White with the black rims. Yeah, that's nice. And then this is the last Matchbox. It's this new for 2025 to 2023 BMW i4 Police Sedan. No back tampos on that one, but that's alright. Alright, I have this random one. I won it in a giveaway. 2001 edition's Pro Stock Firebird metal base. Kaboom. It's got such an interesting base on it. Alright, and then the next one. I've been wanting the snowmobiles for a really long time, and I finally found one. 2010 new models. Snow Ride. Not meant to go down a track or anything, but it's so cool. Matchbox definitely, if you look it up, makes the better, more accurate snowmobile, but it's cool to finally get one of the Hot Wheels ones. I don't have any of the Matchbox ones. And then we'll get into, let's do this one. 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. I couldn't help it. I try not to get too many of the Mustangs lately because they make so many of them, but this one I thought looked so good. The paint on it and everything. It's got the red windows. Almost looks like it could be like a mystery model car. Got the snake and the grill. I want the red edition of this car. Next one is the 70 Chevelle SS wagon. Finally trying to add these to the collection. There's such a cool super of this car. If you guys don't know about it, look it up. It looks awesome. So there it is. That one's super cool. And then this one is this 1999 Subaru Impreza from the Dream lineup Fast and Furious Silver Series set. And this is a brand new casting for Hot Wheels for 2026. See, 2026 Mattel. Now that's a cool looking car. That's a nice looking casting. That'll be cool on the main line. Really cool on the main line. That's probably my favorite one so far. Alright, and then we'll go with this Ferrari here. Ferrari 12 Cylindri, new for 2026. Just trying to read the back. And it's funny, this one and the D-Case Treasure Hunt have the same wheels, except that's got bigger back wheels on it. I thought that was kind of funny. Super cool. Add it to my small Ferrari collection, and then we'll go with this one to go along with the Subarus. Subaru Brat from the 58th anniversary. I finally found these. It took me this long to find some of these cars. These were the only two I cared about, though. Subaru Brat. This is my first Subaru Brat in the collection. I've been wanting one of them, but I never found that premium car culture one in the stores, so yeah, there's the Brat, and then the next one is this 92 Honda Civic EG. This one's nice. They did a really good job with the, like, paint on these ones. There's that one. Then we'll open up this D-Case Treasure Hunt Hot Wings from the X-Racers series. There's the Treasure Hunt logo. What does it say? It says Hot Wings. So cool to add this casting to the collection. That's what I say about these treasure hunts, is that it gets you cars in your collection that you wouldn't normally have. So I like it. And then this last car here is this 2009 treasure hunt. I would save this one. I'm going to do like a big, like, older treasure hunt video at some point, but I might as well just open this one up. I mean, it's already beat up enough. Because I have a couple, I think, from this 2009 treasure hunt year, so. And there's a super variation of this one, and it's more of like a copper color with rubber tires. And this was before the circle flame came into play. So, yep, there's the treasure hunt. So, that's all the cars for today's video. Thanks for anybody who watches. Like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.